Two of my recent designs started to generate lots of traffic on my e-commerce store since I have created these AI promo videos for each of them. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created 5 different AI video ads for my 2 designs that I wanted to sell on Etsy using 5 powerful prompts all inside one AI platform. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step and show you the 5 powerful prompts that I used and how you can use them to create very attractive video ads for your merch. Now, if you sell merch or print-on-demand products, video ads can be extremely useful because they help you present your designs in a much more dynamic way than static mockups. You can use them for Etsy listings, social media marketing, product launches, or short promo content. And before we jump in, the platform that I'm going to use is called Renoise.ai. So let me quickly show you some of the ad results we're going to create in this video. The platform has many sample templates for video generations that you can take them as reference, use their prompts to generate similar videos, and this is what I'm going to do for one of my prompts. So before creating anything, I always recommend taking a quick look around the platform so you understand how Renoise is structured. Renoise can be used directly through its own interface, and it can also fit into broader AI workflows with tools like Cloud Code, Codex, OpenClaw, and Cowork. But in this video, I'm using the web version directly, so everything you see here is happening inside the Renoise interface itself. Once you click on the link in the description, you will arrive at the main Renoise interface. Depending on updates, your layout may look slightly different, but the main idea is the same. You will have the main prompt area where you describe what you want to create, and you will also find the different creation areas for video generation and image related workflows on the left side. So for this video, I'm using my design files, my 2 main designs on one simple mockup image, flat t-shirts. When you're working with merch designs like this, it helps to think of Renoise not just as a video generator, but as a creative tool for building presentation and marketing around your design. So let's begin by importing the first visual assets. This step, of course, is important because the quality and direction of our output will depend on the reference and the design elements that we're giving to Renoise to work with. So I'm starting by uploading the visual reference of my design here. Just press on the plus sign and add your design. And since the platform is using the Seedance video generation model, the final output is always going to keep your design consistent and won't change from the actual design file. So go ahead and select the design, the image or visual material you want to use. So first, for the first prompt, I added my design image, and I'm asking Renoise to make someone wearing this attached t-shirt and swimming underwater with fish around him. Make the t-shirt design visible, add light rays coming through the surface, fish swimming around, surreal and peaceful, not scary. You can always ask any AI model to generate a prompt for you in case you cannot do this yourself. And for this first example, I'm using the Seedance 2.0 fast model, 12 seconds for my video length and 16:9 ratio. Once you press on the generate button once you're ready, and you can always see the number of credits that will be deducted according to the settings that you have entered with the prompt. And this is the final result of the first video. A man wearing the t-shirt swimming just below the surface. Nice realistic video using the Seedance fast model. So for the first direction, I just wanted to keep things simple and strong. So this kind of prompt is useful when you want a clean ad look with a clear focus on the overall visual mood. When writing a prompt like this, always try to be specific about the style and the purpose instead of describing something vaguely to get the best results. For the second prompt, I followed one of the examples, the template videos provided by the platform. Wanted to create a cinematic video using my second design. So the prompt says, my uncle surfing on a lava flow down a volcano, board on fire. He's wearing the t-shirt, and make it look cinematic. And of course, I'm adding again the design from my PC, uploading the design on a mockup. The prompt is mentioning close-up shot on the t-shirt design and zooms out. For this one, I'm using the Seedance 2.0 2.0, the standard one, 9 by 16 inches, the ratio is 9 by 16, 12 seconds, and then pressing on the generation button. And this is the result of the second video. Amazing video with exactly as described. The design is fixed with a close-up on the design once the video starts, and this is where you begin to see how Renoise translates the prompt direction into something that feels more like a short visual ad instead of just a static design. So that one was perfect ad, is going to attract the attention for sure. So for the third prompt, I'm using my cat surfing design, and the prompt is saying, using the uploaded t-shirt image, create a 15-second premium ad video, cinematic lighting, slow zoom in, cool tropical background, and keep the product consistent with the uploaded image. So this prompt describes how I want the result. I want it just to focus on the product image that I'm uploading without generating additional scenes with the product in other shots, and this is the final result. As you can see, the product is consistent. The t-shirt design is consistent with just camera zooming on the design without changing the angles or the product itself. So for the next prompt, I'm using a detailed one, asking it to create a high quality 15-second promotional video, and this time I'm describing the scenes, adding a voiceover and music description. So on Renoise.ai you can add a detailed prompt with detailed scenes and voiceover and music, and it's going to be created as long as you're using the Seedance model. Again, I'm using the multi-shot feature, and the reference image of the cat design, 16 by 9, 15 seconds, and then press on the generate button, and within a couple of seconds I get the final result, and this is the generated video.
Dive into summer with fearless style.
The t-shirt fabric looks very realistic with this close-up on the t-shirt and the design. Amazing result. And as you can see, I'm using variations of prompts. One that is more premium, another more cinematic, another more playful, and another more suitable for short-form social media. But playing with these prompts and trying all of them, even for the same design, is going to generate different results. Some will generate more traffic and others less traffic. And now for the final prompt, I'm asking it to create a 15-second stylish summer fashion ad video, but this time I'm not only adding the design, but I'm adding my own model image. You can add yourself or your preferred model image. So for this example, I'm using this male model and adding it with the image of the design to the prompt, and I'm asking the platform to make the person wearing the t-shirt casually, bright sunny background, soft golden highlights, high-end lifestyle add premium look. So this is something different. We are adding our own model to the prompt and pressing on the generate button, and this is the final result. So as you can see, the prompt direction really matters just as much as the design itself. And overall, I think this is a really interesting way to turn merch designs into more marketable content. By using different prompt directions, I was able to take just 2 designs and turn them into 5 different ad concepts inside Renoise.ai. So if you want to check out Renoise for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below, and let me know in the comments which result you liked best. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.